Okay, so this is the book Without Wings, Mother, How Can I Fly? And it's by Norma Farber. My reading focus is conventions, and my reading strategy is punctuations, asking and telling, so question marks and periods. This is a very simple book, and it has questions from the curious little boy and answers from the mother who's got all the answers in the world for her son. And so that's basically the story, a little boy who just has a bunch of questions and a mother who's got the answers to them all. Throughout the book, I marked some pages and I marked off the end of the sentences punctuation. And so I have these right here. These are sticky notes, and they have the correct punctuation, but throughout the book I'd read the book and then I'd ask the students what do they think the punctuation would be based on how the sentence sounds like and how I read it. I would use words and emphasize on them, like, how can I swing in a breeze? And then by answers like, by the ropes and a board hung from the tallest of the trees. And then from there, I would ask the kids, and they would tell me what it is, and then I'd show them if they were right or wrong with that. And then after the read aloud, we would talk about what they think the correct punctuation for a sentence asking and telling would be, and why. And then we would get into groups of 4. There would be 16 cards for the groups. You would place them face down with the asking and telling on the back. And then on the other side, it's going to have a question mark or a period. And each of the students in the group would take turn drawing these. They would basically, if they get a question, they need to write a sentence that is a question sentence that's asking something like, why is the sky blue? And then if they get a period, then they'd be like, because of the ocean, reflection of the ocean, or something like that. And they don't have to answer each other back and forth, but each student needs to at least go twice within the group. And then they would be putting these sentences on a poster, and they would display the posters for everyone to see, and it would go onto our conventions part of our literacy wall.